Next video. This look like the let's go down here to pack info. 54 volts, current at 7 amps. Let's go down here to capacity. There. Sort of 100% charge. 200 amp hours, blah blah blah, cycles 12. So let's go escape out of here. I've never had this battery up to 100%. Now that the leaves are starting to fall. Now that the leaves are starting to fall, they're getting more sun. But I've never heard this ticking sound. It sounds like a relay in there. Well, you know, I go get my phone and it stops making the noise. Well, if I hear it again, sounded to me like a relay constantly tick, 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 tick. I didn't know what it was, so I walked over to get my phone, came back. You guys ever watch the... There it went. This is getting interesting. I was going to ask you guys if you've ever seen the quantum mechanics, or the particles when they there one again. I'll just keep talking because it seems like once I start talking about that it ticks. Quantum mechanics, they don't know if you observe the particle it behaves one way, if you don't observe it it behaves a different way. They put up multiple sensors. You can hear it going now. Let's see if I hold it close, if it'll keep going. So I don't know what that is. Does anybody have any of these Powerwall type batteries? It's the first time I've heard it. It's the first time my battery's been 100% charged. So that's where we're at. 97% on that. Okay. So there's 3 batteries. And for anybody, you know what, I'll just post this. Maybe somebody, this is all temporary set up here. These are a 51.2 volt, 200 amp hour batteries. This last one just sitting on top is just sitting there. It's not hooked up yet. I'm going to do a capacity test on... Actually, I do got to hook it up and get it all charged up. See about just disconnecting one of these other ones. These things are heavy as can be. Me and my wife struggle picking them up there. So, they do have different state of charges. I don't know why. You know, clearly this one I think was at 100. It's just enter pack information. Down, enter. So 100%. And then when I go in here and look at the screen on that one, and then on down there on that one. Another one I think was, 90, and one was 85. I don't know if that's the battery management systems in each individual one. I can tell you when you add all the numbers up and divide it by 3, it always does match that number, which is 97% now. So I don't know. If anybody knows, I'd appreciate the advice.